Nestled in the heart of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province in Pakistan lies the city of Mardan. This city, often overlooked by travelers, holds a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. This vibrant city, steeped in history and surrounded by nature's bounty, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The lush green fields and the majestic mountains create a picturesque backdrop that is both serene and awe-inspiring. Known for its warm hospitality and rich cultural heritage, Mardan offers a unique blend of tradition and natural beauty. The locals, dressed in their traditional attire, add a splash of color to the streets, making every corner of the city vibrant and lively. The city's strategic location, nestled between fertile plains and towering mountains, has played a pivotal role in shaping its identity. These geographical features not only provide stunning views, but also contribute to the city's agricultural prosperity. Mardan is a city of contrasts. Modern buildings stand alongside traditional structures, creating a unique architectural landscape that tells the story of the city's evolution over the centuries. Ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Festivals and cultural activities are celebrated with great enthusiasm, reflecting the city's deep-rooted customs and contemporary lifestyle. Bustling bazaars stand in the shadow of historical monuments. These markets are a sensory delight, offering everything from traditional crafts to modern goods. The air is filled with the scent of spices and the sounds of life. The vibrant market scenes are a testament to the city's lively spirit and its rich culinary heritage. This captivating city invites exploration and promises an unforgettable experience. From its scenic landmarks to its welcoming people, Mardan has something for every traveler. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, wandering through bustling markets, or simply enjoying a cup of chai with the locals, Mardan is sure to leave a lasting impression. The city's charm lies in its ability to offer a slice of history along with the warmth of its people. From the snow-capped peaks of the Sikh mountains to the glistening waters of the Swan River, Mardan offers a diverse landscape that is sure to captivate. These natural wonders provide a perfect escape for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Come discover the magic of Mardan. Let this hidden gem reveal its secrets to you and create memories that will last a lifetime. Mardan is a city woven from diverse landscapes. Lush green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the fertile land. These fields, a patchwork of emerald and gold, are the lifeblood of the region. Farmers tend to their crops with care, their movements ancient and rhythmic. Through these fields meander rivers, their waters reflecting the azure sky. The rivers are the arteries of Mardan, providing life and sustenance to the land and its people. Children splash in their cool waters, their laughter echoing through the valley. Fishermen cast their nets, hoping for a bountiful catch. Towering above the city are the majestic mountains. Their peaks, often capped with snow, seem to touch the heavens. These mountains are a constant presence, a reminder of nature's grandeur. The landscape of Mardan is ever-changing. This ever-changing tapestry of landscapes is a source of endless fascination. The Sikh mountain range stands as a majestic guardian to the north of Mardan. These mountains, with their rugged peaks and hidden valleys, are a sight to behold. They are a source of legend and folklore, their slopes said to be home to mythical creatures. The people of Mardan view these mountains with reverence, for they provide protection from harsh winds and attract life-giving rain. Winding its way through the heart of Mardan is the Swan River. This life-giving river, known locally as the Abba Sinar River, is a source of livelihood and recreation for the locals. Its banks are a hive of activity, with women washing clothes, children playing, and men fishing. The Sikh mountains and the Swan River are integral to Mardan's identity. They are deeply woven into the social and cultural fabric of the city. Mardan experiences a semi-arid climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters. The year unfolds in a rhythmic cycle of seasons, each leaving its mark on the land and its people. Summers are a time of intense heat, with the sun beating down relentlessly. Life slows down as people seek refuge from the scorching rays. As the summer heat fades, the monsoon season arrives, bringing with it much-needed rain. The parched earth rejoices as the rain transforms the landscape, painting it in vibrant hues of green. Rivers swell, their waters carrying the promise of life. Winter descends upon Mardan, cloaking the city in a blanket of cool air. The mountains stand majestically, their peaks often dusted with snow. The pace of life slows further as people gather around fireplaces, sharing stories and sipping hot tea. Spring announces its arrival with a burst of color. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, a promise of new beginnings. Section 5. Echoes of the Past. Mardan is a city steeped in history, its streets whispering tales of bygone eras. The city's rich past is etched in its ancient ruins. a testament to the civilizations that have graced its land. Among these historical treasures, the Takhti Bahi Monastery stands as a beacon, its crumbling walls whispering stories of a glorious past. Perched atop a hill, the Takhti Bahi Monastery offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. This ancient Buddhist monastery, dating back to the 1st century AD, was once a thriving center of learning and meditation. Its intricate carvings and well-preserved stupas offer a glimpse into the architectural prowess of a bygone era. Exploring the ruins of Takhti Bahi is like taking a step back in time. The monastery is a reminder of the region's rich Buddhist heritage. Even amidst the hustle and bustle of city life, Mardan offers tranquil spaces for respite and recreation. Green parks and gardens dot the city, providing welcome escapes from the urban chaos. These green lungs of Mardan are where residents gather to socialize, exercise, or simply relax under the shade of a tree. One such sanctuary is the Mardan Sports Complex, a sprawling green space that caters to the city's sports enthusiasts. The complex boasts well-maintained fields for cricket, football and hockey, attracting sports lovers of all ages. For those seeking a more serene experience, the Bagi Shumal offers a tranquil escape. This beautifully landscaped garden, with its colourful flower beds, gurgling fountains and shady pathways, provides a welcome respite from the city's noise and heat. These green spaces are not just aesthetically pleasing. They play a vital role in enhancing the quality of life in Mardan. Mardan's fertile plains are a testament to nature's generosity, yielding a bounty of crops and fruits that sustain the region. The city's agricultural prowess is evident in the vast fields that stretch as far as the eye can see, a patchwork of green and gold. Farmers, with their generations-old knowledge, coax life from the land, their efforts providing sustenance for millions. Wheat, the staple food of the region, grows abundantly in Mardan's fertile soil. Alongside wheat, other essential crops like maize, sugarcane and tobacco flourish, contributing significantly to the local economy. Mardan is also renowned for its orchards, laden with a variety of fruits that tantalize the taste buds. Juicy mangoes, sweet and fragrant, are a particular favorite, their arrival eagerly awaited each summer. The agricultural abundance of Mardan is a source of pride for its people. Beyond its urban landscape, Mardan is a haven for a diverse array of flora and fauna. The region is a sanctuary where nature thrives in its purest form, offering a refuge for countless species. The region's varied topography, ranging from fertile plains to rugged mountains, provides a diverse range of habitats for a wide variety of species. These landscapes are not just visually stunning, but also crucial for the survival of many plants and animals. The air is alive with the sounds of birdsong, a testament to the rich avian life that calls Mardan home. From dawn till dusk, the melodies of various bird species create a symphony that resonates through the forests and fields. The mountains surrounding Mardan are home to a variety of mammals, including the elusive snow leopard, the Himalayan black bear, and the markhor. These majestic creatures roam the rugged terrain, embodying the wild spirit of the region. Birdwatchers will delight in spotting a variety of avian species, including eagles soaring high above the peaks and colourful pheasants flitting through the undergrowth. The diversity of bird life here is a true paradise for ornithologists and nature enthusiasts alike. The Swan River, with its life-giving waters, supports a rich ecosystem. Its banks are lined with lush vegetation, providing a habitat for numerous species and a vital water source for the region. Various fish species, including mahseer and trout, thrive in its cool, clear waters, attracting both fishing enthusiasts and birds seeking a meal. The river is a lifeline, sustaining both aquatic and terrestrial life. The flora of Mardan is just as diverse. The region's plant life ranges from vibrant wildflowers to dense forests, each contributing to the ecological balance. Medicinal plants, used for generations in traditional remedies, also grow abundantly, highlighting the interconnectedness between nature and human well-being. These plants are a testament to the region's rich natural heritage and its importance to local communities. Mardan's central location in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa makes it an ideal base for exploring the region's natural wonders and cultural gems. This bustling city, rich in history and culture, serves as a perfect starting point for those looking to delve deeper into the beauty and heritage of northern Pakistan. The city serves as a gateway to some of the most breathtaking landscapes in Pakistan, inviting adventurers and nature enthusiasts to venture beyond its borders. From here, one can embark on journeys that reveal the diverse and stunning topography of the region. To the north lies the Swat Valley, often referred to as the Switzerland of Pakistan. This valley is renowned for its unparalleled beauty and serene environment, making it a top destination for tourists and locals alike. This picturesque valley, with its snow-capped peaks, lush green meadows and sparkling rivers, is a sight to behold. The natural beauty here is complemented by a rich cultural heritage, offering a unique blend of experiences. Visitors can explore ancient Buddhist ruins, enjoy thrilling hikes, or simply bask in the tranquility of nature. The valley's trails and historical sites provide a perfect mix of adventure and reflection. West of Mardan lies the Deer District, another region blessed with stunning natural beauty. This area is less frequented by tourists, offering a more secluded and peaceful experience. Known for its dense forests, cascading waterfalls, and charming villages, Deer offers a glimpse into a world untouched by modernity. The pristine landscapes here are perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. For those seeking a spiritual experience, a visit to the shrine of Pir Baba in Buner is a must. This sacred site attracts pilgrims from all over, offering a place for reflection and prayer. Mardan's strategic location allows travelers to easily access these nearby attractions, making it an ideal starting point for an unforgettable journey through the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or spiritual enrichment, Mardan and its surroundings have something to offer everyone.